You want me to meet your dog? Is that what's happening? Oh, thank you. Oh. Aw. I never thought I'd get Will Smith by a dog. Shut the up. Keep Cooper's name out your f***ing mouth. All right, here you go. You got it? Yeah, take him back. Oh, there you go. Cute, very cute. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Opie was adopted from...
He was adopted from? Oh, that's
right
nice.
Here, Pet Space. 6 years ago, when he was like 4 months old.
Aw.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
I know.
Where's your seat?
Huh?